Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadin gajing sapriang ki khubor bubak poleng do don jingmut penyaso no syakseng NPP syuak election ajar apupra o menteri rangba ka jala konrad ke sama ulaong bo Ïadei Paralok bha bad ubak pol bad kejuya Syllok ru ya ka sanhi masima handrai ban Kren Pynkut pat bon Rung no syakseng NPP kadang kloi than bad kamde hiru kapor bni Kren ye kita manta handrai hak san perthai ulaong bagano kala banjia handrai hap ban up dia sya ya kapor ka babyang.
It's okay. Doesn't mean that everybody will come on board in one go. It's a long journey. It's a long journey. But we know that our intention is very clear and very focused. And we want to serve the people. Some have joined us. Even when, leaders, start a certain journey, you're not always there with everybody's though not there with you. But as they see the progress, as they see the kind of focus that we work with, we are hopeful that more and more leaders and people in the parties will join us in our endeavor to serve the people of the Northeast at large. And it may take time, but we are okay with it. We're not discouraged at all. And they have their right and their opinion to whatever thoughts they have. But as I said, we are very clear in our thought, in our ideas, in our vision, and in our goal to serve the people of our state and the region as a whole.
And can you confirm if polling is really shifted to NPP?
No, I see. These are political aspects, which, of course, only when time is appropriate that will come out. But we are good friends. We are always, we have always discussed politics together, and we have always, had many discussions. But I think right now to jump to a conclusion that you will be joining in all is, I think, a bit premature right now. It's not the appropriate time to discuss all of these things. There is a lot of politics that happens. Many people from my side, last time I think it was yourself or somebody was talking to me and telling me that some NPP MLAs plan to leave. And I had asked you that time, please give me the name of those NPP MLAs. I'll talk to them and convince them that they should not leave. So this happens in politics. So there's a lot of talk, discussions that takes place. But I think at the end of the day, let's see how things unfold. And when the final time comes, we'll let you know.